Hi Webbies, welcome back to my channel right here, and yeah, I have a burning lips today. Not that I swatched lots of lipsticks on this evening, but here I am to share with you 5 of my top favorite red lipsticks, and I have them all swatched on my hand right here, and a few honorable mentions that I don't want to swatch on my lips because gosh darn it, I don't have a makeup remover on hand, and I use tissues, and by God, I swear it's the hardest thing ever, and it's the hardest thing ever. That's all I can say. But yeah, let's get right into it. Since I put my makeup on, my nose is itchy for some reason. It's like I have dog hairs on my face, but it's not there. So okay, so let's go to our first lipstick right here, which is this is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection in shade Austin, and I have been addicted with this for some time, and I don't know how many. Oh, there's still a lot of it in the bullet, but I have been pretty addicted to this. Like, I wear this every single day non-stop for like, I don't know, 6 months, and gosh, this is a very good red color with a very blue undertone red. And it's crazy because I mean, you got a very simple look, and then you put this on and it's like you came from the 1950s or something. But yeah, I have loved this very much, and every now and then I went back to it and use it, and it's still the same over and over. It's so beautiful. The second next thing is this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, and look, it stained my hand right there, but this is in shade Shanghai Scarlet. Now this is the only one Infallible Pro Matte Gloss that I have in my collection because I can't speak, because this is the only color in that collection that really caught my eye, and I have never been wrong because this is so beautiful. If you want the Crayola collection in shade Strawberry, this is a very good dupe for that. I have it on right here. But the oddest thing about this, it says Pro Matte and then it's gloss, but it doesn't dry down to a matte. So this will stain your lips, and this will be all over your drink, all over your food through the rest of the day. It transfers like hell. So that's the only downside on this product right here, but all in all, very nice color and very nice packaging. So the next lipstick in here is this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Morocco. Yeah, this is in Morocco, and this is one of those lipsticks that has very that has a lot of orange undertones. And at first when I bought this, I thought I would be pretty shocked because it has a lot more orange than red. But then I got a lot of compliments with this color right here from NYX. The only downside that I'm having with this, it's so sticky on the lips, and it transfers as well, and it's a bit patchy. Like, you would have to kind of layer it 2 times to get the full opacity. But then yeah, I love this NYX right here. If you don't mind the extra work, then it's just fine. So the next thing here, we'll go into kind of the Filipinos collection, but this is the Vice Cosmetics in shade Achu Chu Chu. This is a very much great red as well that has a very strong blue undertones. Like, you always come out of the 1950s with this color. That's why I love it so much. The only downside as well in this formula right here is it dries so matte. I don't know, but I don't want a super matte that it feels like a desert in your lips. And I could not last long with this, especially with eating. I have a pet peeve that I can't eat if I'm wearing a very matte liquid lipstick, which is, this is the perfect example for that. So yeah, I love this, but there's kind of that hindrance on there, and every now and then throughout the day you would need to retouch your lipstick. If you're not planning on eating for the rest of the day, this is a very good colored red blue tone lipstick. So that's a long one. Ultra Satin Lip in Loewe, which is, that is what's on my lips this evening. This is from ColourPop, the Ultra Satin Lip, which is a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And this is from the Dream Team. My nose is itchy. This is from the Dream Team bundle, and it's also that great orange toned red that is perfect for every skin color. Oh my god, I'm so... Yeah, it's perfect for every skin color that is out there. I have been wearing this non-stop since I got this on the mail. And it's that last swatch right there. And if you also want a long lasting, because this will stay in your mouth for a long time. I wear this on a concert, and then I ate a lot. I ate burger, I ate lasagna, I guess. I remember, and I ate a lot of fries, and I haven't retouched this, and it still is on my lips. It transfers, that's the only thing that I'm annoyed by it, but it's an ultra satin lip, it's not a matte lip, so it is bound to transfer. But all in all, you don't need to retouch this. It doesn't give you that butthole mouth, which is so annoying. But yeah, if you want a really red orange toned lipstick that is great for all skin tones, then you might just get the Ultra Satin Lip. Some honorable mentions in here that I didn't want to swatch because, like I said, I don't have a makeup remover on hand and it's a freaking pain to swatch them. Yes, this is also an alternative for the Gigi Hadid. This is the Siren in Scarlet, which is the ultra matte. The matte by Maybelline. It is this red right here. This also has really orange undertones, but great swatch there. But it doesn't have that much of an orange like this. Although it has an orange, it's not a blue toned red lipstick. It's that right there. This is also very amazing, and all Maybelline lipsticks are amazing all in all. Another Maybelline one is, this is the Color Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paint in Vamp Red. And this is also your typical, what they call this? Typical blue toned red. And this will stain your lips for a very long time. Like, this will not move, although it transfers like my swatches get worse. But this is that color right there. This will stain your lips, but it transfers and it feels like you have them on your teeth and everything. But yeah, this is also from Maybelline and it's really amazing as well. The last honorable mention in here is, this is the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in Frisky. And this is a very toned kind of red. It is not that your typical kind of red, but look at that pigmentation. That is pigment right there. The only problem that I have here is this will not leave your lips for like 3 days. It's crazy. Even if you remove it with a makeup remover that is so intense, it's just clinging onto your lips, and it's so a bit dry, but not as dry as the Vice Co lipstick. But yeah, that is also a blue toned red. Have it all laid down for you guys, like all of this red lipsticks right here. You can purchase them on your local drugstore. Not a lot of them because the ColourPop and NYX I think is mid-range, but you can order them online. Majority of this is all drugstore, so there's no problem. It's so affordable. But yeah, I guess that is it for me this evening. I'm so sorry for not having a video Tuesday and Thursday because I haven't edited it out yet. Hope you really like this video because why not? You're here already. You're here already and it's midnight. I don't know why it's connected. My thumbs up the video. And if you're not subscribed already, click that subscribe button down below and be part of the beauty squad and the squad that is all over the place all the time. So if you want to be that squad, subscribe down below. And of course, if you're subscribed already, thank you so much for loving and supporting these videos. You can ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. And that is it for me this evening. But I will see you abbees on my next one. Bye!